polarity, so that's why it's able to move the water throughout the tree and up to the leaves.
Right, so the question was, how is it that polarity affects evapotranspiration? So you're getting there. Now, polarity is really important because, yes, in that context, water molecules are sticking together, which means that there will be a contiguous column of water from the bottom of the tree all the way up to the top, right? And it's going to stick to the sides of those tubes, which also carry a charge. So water's polarity facilitates the binding between water molecules and those xylem elements, is what they're called. So the way that it actually works is the sun evaporates off a water molecule, and when that water molecule is pulled out by the sun, it pulls all of the other water molecules below it up through the tree. And they're pulled up because of the polarity of water molecules and the hydrogen bonding between the two of them. Good question. Other questions?
You said something about us having to draw like ionization. Like, can you give like an example of that?
Yeah, for sure. For sure. So if I was to give you the, we'll just do a sodium ion. So sodium has an atomic number 11 and an atomic mass of 23, right? And if I was to say it carries a positive charge, that would be an ion. So I would ask you to tell me how many protons, neutrons, electrons the diagram goes. So let's start with protons and neutrons. According to that, how many protons does sodium have? 11. Neutrons it has 12. And how did you get a 12?
Because it's the, sorry, I can't remember the term.
So this is the atomic mass, right?
Yeah.
And the atomic mass is the sum of protons and neutrons.
Yeah.
So if we know that there are 11 protons, if we take 11 away from the mass, that will leave us with the number of neutrons. So that's 12. Now, if it's neutrally charged, how many electrons should sodium have?
One less than.
If it's neutral, it should have 11. If it's neutral, if it doesn't carry a charge, it should have 11. But we know it carries a positive charge, which means it has how many electrons? 10. One fewer, right? Because if it has fewer electrons than protons, it'll give it a positive charge. So we would put those into our electron shells. And how many go into the first one? 2. And the second one can accommodate how many? 8. And we have 8 left over, so all 8 of those are going to go into the outermost shell. You okay with that, Darby?
Yeah.
Other questions? Okay, well, I will be in my office a lot today, so if you have questions, stop by. I'll be in my office a lot tomorrow as well. And I'm also accessible via email. Okay? I'll see you guys back here on